today I have a very quick wig review for you guys. So today's wig review is brought to you by glamourtress.com. Today's wig review is going to be on Bobbi Boss. This is their designer mix, which is a 100% human hair blend. So it's like a high quality fiber synthetic wig, and it's full hand tied, and it's a lace front wig. So this wig is kind of, the construction of this wig is kind of like Friday night hair wigs, where it has like a area up front where you can part. The most parting you're gonna get is in the front. It's about 2.5 inches, and then it's about 2.5 inches, and then you get less and less parting space as you go towards the ear. I've already recorded a review for this, but then I was looking back at the footage and I had some issues with the parting space, so I decided to re-record it today. I wore it as a middle part when I first did the review, and it looked nice as a middle part, and you can also wear it as a side part. The reason why I wore it as a middle part the first time is because you get most of your parting space in the middle. What I did today was I just shifted the wig to a side part. I did not like part it on the side. I just shifted it. Yeah, so you don't get as much parting space as you would like a lot of like, I guess, modern wigs. Parting space looks like right now. This cap construction is definitely different from, you know, the standard cap construction. So it's like basically all mesh in the back. You don't have tracks laid on the cap. So it's kind of like, it's breathable because of that, but it kind of looks like hair plugs if you look really closely. And that's kind of throwing me off a little bit because this is a classic style. This is very everyday. This is a very everyday kind of style. So I just think the structure of the wig is a little bit weird. The color that I have is a number 4, and I didn't even say the name yet, but you'll see it in the title. This is Sabrina, and I have it in a number 4. And the reason why they have the cap like that is supposed to be for airflow and ventilation, because you know, a lot of times, especially in the summertime, you get hot in your wigs. Even I have started to get hot in my wig. So that's good that it has a breathable cap, and it's supposed to have like all day comfort because of it. But it does just look kind of awkward when you look closely at the back of the wig, but it's not horrible. It just kind of threw me off. Strap size is large. I have on a wig grip, and I still had to adjust the straps on this wig. It came with soft lace. For me, it is about, I'm gonna say about 14 to 16 inches, which makes this very everyday. So I'm gonna give you guys a little 360. So I'm in a shallow space, so I couldn't give you guys like the true all the way around kind of 360, but you guys got to see it in all angles. The texture of this wig is like, I think it's on the silky side. I wouldn't say this is yucky, but even though to me it's more on the silky side, it still doesn't have like a artificial luster to it. It has a pretty decent luster. It's not too shiny. This number 4, it does look like a chocolate brown on camera. I don't know how it picks up. It probably looks a lot darker on camera, but it's a chocolate brown in person. I've seen lighter number 4s than this. This is more of a darker number 4. So far, I have gotten a few strands of shedding, but it's minimal. I haven't gotten any tangling yet. My hands run right through this wig. So I already told you I thought like the structure or the construction of the cap is weird, but also in the bang area I have like, it's not filler hairs, but it's like a wrinkle or something in the cap itself, and I tried to stretch it out, but it just seems like it's a structural issue. So even though this is like a more high quality human hair wig, it does have some weird things going on in the construction of the wig. Like it's like a section of the wig that's just wrinkled. It's weird. This probably looks similar to Princess Elsa that I recently reviewed, and I was like going crazy over that. And a lot of you wanted a wig that was shorter. This could be a good option for you. Of course I can make it work because this just looks like a natural, like everyday kind of wig. Some nice layers in it that come in it naturally. Another con, a lot of people I know don't like that bumped in, and it usually doesn't bother me, but I don't really like how it is on here. It's a little bit too bumped, so I would just take a flat iron on a low heat setting and just kind of straighten it out, because that's a little bit too dramatic for me. If you are interested in this wig, I'll leave some links down below to where you can purchase it on Glamourtress. I want to thank Glamourtress for sending me this wig to review and always supporting my channel. And I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching my video. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications. I have tons of videos coming up for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.